Good morning, teacher and classmate. My response to the following. Let's start. First question. What do you think about social media? I think that social networks are very important if we all use the responsibility. Nowadays, social networks are the base in our world. It has made many things easier for us. We can interact with other people with different jobs. We can also set up companies virtually. This was at the time of the COVID-19 pandemic, so today networks have developed their world, and from my point of view, I believe that networks are very useful if they are used responsibly. Second, number two, is helpful for society? Yes, it's useful even though it has its advantage and disadvantage because the advantage would be as first of point. First, connectivity. They allow people to communicate easily regardless of distance, access to information, facilitate access to news, education, and learning. Opportunity. Many companies use networks to find employees and promote business. They also let us share ideas and opinions with the world. They disseminate components and cause important to society. Page. That sometimes there can be fake news, misleading information. It can also happen that many people spend too much time on the networks and that causes damage in the future. On the other hand, personal data can also be shared without raising risk. Number three, can social media contribute to the education progress? If so, now. Of course, it can contribute a lot of no ways. Social networks are very fundamental when it comes to contributing to the education process. I apparent on anyone who knows how to handle social networks. Fiber education is great help for proper learning. You can contribute by using online libraries and the proper use technology and also interact and motivating learning. Question number 4. What do you use social media for? I use social network to carry out my university work, providing constant communication with my family and friends, and also to live informed on different events. Thank you, teacher.